Hello students, welcome to Northeast Skill Center's online classroom. I am your course trainer Tulika Kalita from Hospitality, Food and Beverage Service. And our session for today is from our core module Integrated Food and Beverage Operations, and our topic of discussion will be Take Room Service Orders. This is a continuation from our previous class. Let us check what we have discussed in our previous class. We have learned what is room service, what are the functions and responsibilities of room service department, what is the need of a room service department in a hotel, what are the advantages and disadvantages of room service department, what is a room service pantry, and what are the room service equipments. So before we proceed, let us go through the learning objectives of the lesson. So by the end of today's session, all of you should be able to define what is a doorknob menu, what is turn down service, explain how doorknob menus are processed, and you will also know the disadvantages of a doorknob menu. Let's start with a new terminology, doorknob menu. So what is a doorknob menu? Doorknob menu is a type of menu card which is hung behind the doorknob of a particular room, comprising of all the available dishes and beverages for breakfast and for the major meals, plus snacks with the rates indicated adjacent to the dishes. In short, doorknob menu are breakfast menus designed as an easy to use checklist for guests to pre-order their breakfast choices from room service. Now, as we know about doorknob menu, let us now learn who collects the doorknob menu and when it is collected. Question may also arise, what is the stipulated time for collection of doorknob menus? So doorknob menus can be collected during turn down service by the housekeeping staff. Now all of you must be thinking, what is turn down service? In a hotel, a turn down service is the preparation of a room for a guest to sleep in by slightly turning back the comforter on the bed, turning down the lights, and so on. The turn down service will also pull the drapes. Since the turn down service is performed in the early evening, it is also known as evening service. Doorknob menus can also be collected during midnight in between 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. when most of the guests has returned from their outings. When a room service waiter comes across doorknob menus on guest room doorknobs, he collects and hands them over to the order taker for further processing. The room service department may assign a number of staff to collect doorknob menus each night after the stipulated time. However, staff from other departments within the hotel may assist in the collection of doorknob menus. Many hotels provide complimentary newspaper to guests. While delivering the newspapers each morning, the bellman may come across completed doorknob menus before or after collection time. The bellman will collect and hand them over to the room service department. Members of the security team are assigned to patrol the guest floors, especially after midnight, to ensure guest safety. During such patrols, security staff may also assist the room service department in collecting doorknob menus. In many properties, the security department takes over this duty. Besides it being a more productive way of using manpower, it also reduces the number of staff being allowed on the guest floors during the night. Let us check how doorknob menus are processed. Doorknob menu orders are correctly transcribed onto captain's orders or keyed into a point of sale system and printed out as guest checks. The doorknob menu orders are then prioritized. This is done by sorting the doorknob menus according to the specified times of delivery. In addition, simpler orders that do not require much preparation time, such as cereals, fruits, and pastries, are batch processed to increase productivity. Orders may also be grouped by floors to reduce delivery time. Processed doorknob menus are attached to the guest checks to allow staff to verify the order and time of delivery requested by the guest. As everything has its advantages as well as its disadvantages, so here are some disadvantages of doorknob menu. Sometimes guests neglect to fill in their room numbers. Such orders cannot be delivered and guests are likely to be upset at not receiving their orders at the specified time. When a doorknob menu that is without the room number is discovered, proper action has to be taken to deal with the situation. So, here we have come to the end of this session. Let us now summarize what we have learned today. We have learned what is a doorknob menu, what is turn-down service, who collects the doorknob menus, how doorknob menus are processed, and what are the disadvantages of doorknob menu. Dear students, I hope all of you had a happy learning. In case of any doubts or queries, please feel free to call me, text me, or WhatsApp me. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.